I am now looking at problem number 20 on the Unit 4 semester review notes that we are completing together. It says the longest snake ever in captivity was measured in 2011. The snake was found to be 25 feet 2 inches long. How many inches long is the snake? Okay, so first of all, I'm going to cross through 2011 because it looks like it's a number that I might want to use, but it's not. It's just a year, and it's not part of the problem. Okay, next thing I want to make sure that I do not want to say, hey, that's 25.2 feet. No, it's not, because there are 12 inches in a foot, so that does not work. Don't do that. Okay, what I'm going to do is, because I want to convert to inches, I'm just going to save these 2 inches for right now, and I will tack them onto my answer in a little while. So I need to deal with how many inches is in this 25 feet. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and set up my ratio. 25 feet is, I don't know how many inches. Then, unless you have this memorized, we're going to go take a quick look at our formula chart. Where's my formula chart? There it is. Okay, and I need something that's going to convert feet to inches. So here it is. 1 foot is equal to 12 inches. Okay, so I'm going to write my conversion factor right there. 1 foot is I can't even think. 1 foot is 12 inches last time I checked. Okay, so I've already have this part of the problem set up. I'm going to put the foot part on top, just like I have the foot part on top in the first fraction. And I'm going to put the 12 inches on the bottom. And then I am going to cross multiply. Okay. And I just need to know 25 times 12. Well, 25 times 4 is 100. And that's 3 times as much. So 25 times 12 is going to be 300. If you don't believe me, you can multiply it out. And then I just divide by 1, so I really don't have anything left to do. So 25 feet is equal to 300 inches, but I'm not done, because remember, the snake was 25 feet and 2 inches long. So the 300 inches is the same as 25 feet, but our snake was 25 feet and 2 inches. So 300 plus another 2 inches. Your snake was 302 inches long. I do not want to meet that snake because that's too long. All right. All right, moving on to number 21. The world record for the largest cup of hot chocolate was 3,331 liters at a festival of chocolate in 2013. I don't know what these people do with their time, but whatever. First of all, 2013, that's a year. It's not a number that we're going to use for anything. Okay. How much hot chocolate is that in milliliters? Well, the first thing I need to do is go find milliliters and liters, and that's going to be a volume or capacity. 1 liter is 1,000 milliliters. 1 liter equals 1,000 milliliters. So I have my conversion. And then I'm going to take 3,331 liters. I want to know how many milliliters that is. If I have liters on top on this fraction, make sure you have liters on top in your other fraction. All right, so you have it set up. You want to look for x. You're going to cross multiply. 3,331 times 1,000. I can do this with multiplication, but I know that when I multiply by an even 1,000, that's just taking my decimal and moving it 3 places because I have 3 zeros. My decimal is currently right here, so I'm just going to move. So 3, 3, 3, 1, and then move, and I have to add 0, 0, 0, and now my decimal is here. So really, that's 3,331,000 3,000 milliliters. And it should be big because in each one of these 3,000 plus liters, in every one of those, there's 1,000 milliliters. So you have to say this times this and divide, of course, by the 1.